curious ako kasi hindi naman tayo, kumbaga, we're not born to be a leader, yung iba, di ba?
Yes.
So, paano mo na-cultivate yun? Paano mo na-develop yung ganung character, yung pagiging leader?
Yes, that's a good question, Ma'am Febs. Thank you. So, papaano ko ba na-develop? It all started sa school ko talaga. So, galing ako sa bundok na lugar, which is sa pinakaliblib pa ng munisipyo ng Mercedes, Camarines Norte, Barangay Lalawigan. Doon talaga ako na-develop sa National High School. Now, when I transferred dito sa Daet, doon talaga ako sabi ko, sige, I need to expand my comfort zone. Tapos nung ang dami ko nang sinasalihan ng mga organization, siguro maximum na na-handle ko sa Morena Integrated School when I was leading an organization, and that it was particularly Youth for Environment School organization. I handled more than 500 students.
Wow.
Yeah, and that was big talaga.
Malaking
Tapos yun,
group.
pag-transfer ko sa Mabinig, sa School of Law first, School of Law na muna ako. Sabi ko, I met a lot of people, tapos may iba't ibang perspective on how they view the world and how they lead. Doon ko din nakita na iba't iba pala talaga. If you will gonna explore yourself, ang dami mo pa rin makukuha, madidiscover, at maibibigay sa ibang tao. It all started from my school hanggang sa naging community na. So,